Hello everyone. I was going to show you what I received today in the mail. This is Bissell Pro Heat 2-time premium carpet cleaner, and I'm so excited to get ready to use it. 2 weeks ago I did purchase another Bissell, and it was called a Powerlifter carpet cleaner. And with that one, I feel like it did a decent job. You can see the carpet right now because if you look at it, that's the one I used the other one on, the Powerlifter on. It's a smaller unit. I'm going to actually show it to you right now. Go ahead, pull it out of our closet. I purchased this item off of Amazon, and it was only for $99. It was one of their top pick or top choices on Amazon. So that's the reason why I purchased this at the time. And again, it's not a bad device. I just don't like the fact that it don't hold a lot of water. The bladder is what they call it. Is very small. So for me to do our room, my front room, that's not a very big front room, it took me about 4 to 5 times to fill that bladder. And that was driving me crazy because it's like I could go once up spraying and then back. I could do it like on 2 rows and the water was out again. So I knew it was time for me to maybe look to see if they have one with a bigger bladder. So that's why I seen this one. Now we're going to walk back over there and I'm going to show you what. Now we're going to walk over there and I'm going to show you all the wonderful things that came in this box. You have your user guide. You have your handheld tool that's good for cleaning staircases, sofas, things like that. Maybe little hard, stubborn spots on the floor that you can really get into it and brush it real hard. You have a cleaning solution sample. Also a measuring cup. Now let's get all these things out of here so we could be able to pull the actual unit out of the box. So bear with me while I'm getting all these things out of the way. Now you see the unit is revealed. We have the handle. And now the actual unit itself. That was one thing I did enjoy about it, that it was only 2 pieces really to snap together. Now you see the unit is out. It wasn't too heavy. I just needed both hands to be able to pull it out of that box real good. Now we're going to attach the handle on, and you will snap that in. And then you see that there's 3 screws that's on the handle. You pull it off, and I'm showing you where there's the smaller screw went in the top, and then there's 2 long screws that went in the bottom. So we're going to put that in there because that's what holds it on. Just want to show you how it looks once I put it all together. Please excuse my voice. I am sick right now. I'm sorry. Like I said, it's all put together. I want to show you the tank size is a 1.25 gallon. It's supposed to have some kind of heating mechanism that keeps the water warm. I'm going to show you how many rows of brushes that it has on the bottom of it. I'm really expecting this unit to clean better than the other one since it has the 2 rows of the brushes. So I'm thinking it should pick up a lot more dirt. Like again, I was happy with the other one that I had, but I just wanted something that was a little bit wider, and again that holds more water. So I'm thinking I'll be happy with this one. I'm showing you also where the power button's at. And where you will push the trigger. It says when you're going forward, you're supposed to squeeze the trigger. When you're going back, you're supposed to squeeze the trigger too, going back. So it's one way up and one way back. Now I'm actually using the unit. I have it turned on to try it out to see how well it picks up dirt. And if you notice, there was a spot right there. It's where we have a heater sitting. And I noticed that it did pick up the dirt. Once I went over it one time, I seen it, the dirt spot getting lighter. Again, it's supposed to go up and back slow when you have the trigger. And then when you let off the trigger, you're supposed to go up and back again to dry up the water. You can go as many times as you want to on top of the carpet to make sure you're getting as much water as you can out of it, because you don't want it to sit and end up smelling. In my eyes, I felt like the unit wasn't too heavy to push. So I was happy, very happy about that. Now I'm showing you the comparison of the sizes between each of the carpet cleaner. This is the final result, how it looked at the end. Thank you for watching, and you have